And now we get to enjoy the show. And because it's space themed, the Pacer is now the Spacer. Ooh, the Spacer. There's the Versailles.
Love that interior. Here, did you see this interior? That's just...
The Laser.
Yeah, he keeps threatening to sell it, and then he rides it.
Yeah, because they brought it the same year.
Hey, we fixed the shifter on this yesterday. Probably gonna vote for that.
Oh, really? I got a long way to go.
Get going, David.
Oh, I'm taking my time. Maybe do a little after lunch.
There you go.
Way too many fun cars in our group. But Mike Sarah is awesome. But the Prelude is awesome too. But the Sarah. But the Prelude. But the Sarah. But the Prelude. Ah! 86 Prelude, yay! I said a spaceship. Ooh, a Legend. Ooh, a Bentley. Adams rolls. Adams rolls. Ooh, Volvo. Mach 1. Fun. Pretty.
Well, that's because people are sitting in the back seat.
Fleetwood 75. This is a yacht. Look, it's Mildred. Kent 68 Newport. There's lots of videos on this. I don't know if they're live yet, but got a lot of those. Some Rivy action. Some Tornado action. I gotta vote for Mildred. Lots of goodies. Lots of car goodies today.